Excuse me, sir. Please, what's transpired between you and your gen?
I don't know what happened to my gen. Gen no gree supply current again. I don't know what they sup.
You know, I studied mechanical engineering at Cambridge and
How that one cut the concern me now?
Wetin the child talk be say we fit fix am.
I run am fast for my baby inside.
Wahala no dey finish, no dey finish. Wahala no dey finish. Wahala no dey finish, no dey finish. Wahala no dey finish.
Jaykohl, go and get me my laptop.
I don't understand you. This morning when people dey fix my gen, I never see fix am finish.
The carburetor is not supplying enough fluid to the alternator, and for that reason, the radiator and the compressor in collision has destroyed your capacitor.
What did that for me now?
Oga, wetin the child talk be say na for you to burn on that gen o.
Maybe gen make start like as the day before now.
We no in ten tionally off the gen o.
Oh yeah, your gas phone. I go intentionally sleep with this night.